Hello dear student. In the last video we discussed about the theoretical part which is given in the chapter lines and angles. Now today we will start the exercise. First exercise 6.1, question number first. Now here these are the given things. Line AB and CD intersect at point O. As per the given things we draw the line AB and CD intersect at point O. Again one more given thing, AOC plus BOE is equals to 70 degree. Here sum of two angles is given, angle AOC and angle BOE. Sum of these two angles is 70 degree and angle BOD is equals to 40 degree, means measure of this angle is 40 degree, which is given separately. Now here you have to find out angle BOE and reflex angle of COE. To find these things, first use the given things. Now here it is given that AOC plus BOE is equals to 70 degree, but AB is the line, and if you consider it is a ray, then these three angles, angle 1, angle 2 and angle 3, all three angles form the linear pair. Means sum of all three angles is 180 degree. By using that thing from figure, angle AOC plus angle BOC is equals to 180 degree. And here what is the reason for this statement? Linear pair angles. But here BOC is divided into two parts. Write down that two parts. AOC plus parts of BOC are BOE and COE. Angle COE plus angle BOE is equals to 180 degree. Now here AOC plus BOE, these two angles are given, means AOC plus BOE, sum of these two angles is 70. Substitute that value, 70 plus angle COE is equals to 180 degree, and that's why you will get COE is equals to 180 minus 70, which is equals to 110 degree. Angle COE is equals to 110. But you have to find out the reflex angle of COE. Reflex angle of COE is equals to find the reflex angle for any given angle, we have to subtract this angle from COE, 360 degree, means 360 minus angle COE. 360 minus angle COE, that value is 110. Substitute that value and you will get here 360 minus 110, which is equals to 250 degree. Means answer of second question you will get here. Now your first question is remaining to find BOE. इस एंगल की मेजरमेंट आपकी remaining है, you have to find out this. Now here consider this CD is the line, and if you consider this CD line, then BOE and BOD, all these are the linear pair angles, means all these three angles are also in linear pair, and sum of these angles is 180 degree. From figure, which three angles? Now from figure, COE plus angle BOE plus angle BOD, all these are in linear pair, and therefore sum of these angles is 180 degree. You can give the reason here, linear pair. Now here COE, measure of COE is 110 plus angle BOE, you have to find out that, plus angle BOD, it is also given, it is of 40 degree. Substitute the value, is equals to 180. 110 plus 40, it is 150, plus angle BOE is equals to 180, and therefore angle BOE is equals to 180 minus 150, that value is 30 degree, and that is your answer. First answer, angle BOE is equals to 30 degree, and the second answer, reflex angle of COE which is equals to 250 degree. These are your required answers for this question.